In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add stablecoin dominance in TradingView Pro. This is a really useful thing to have on your chart if you're trading crypto, because stablecoin dominance can give you a quick sense of whether money is flowing into or out of the market. When stablecoin dominance is rising, it often means traders are moving into stablecoins and becoming more risk averse. When it's falling, it can indicate money rotating back into risk assets like Bitcoin and altcoins. So having this visible right inside TradingView can really help with your decision making. First, open up your TradingView chart and make sure you're logged into your account. It doesn't matter which asset you're currently viewing. You just need any chart open so we can add the indicator to it. At the top of the chart, look for the indicators button. Depending on your layout and theme, it might be labeled indicators or indicators and strategies, but it's usually near the top toolbar above the price chart. Go ahead and click that. This will open the indicators window, which is where you can search for and add any study, metric, or community script to your chart. Once the indicators window is open, move to the search box at the top. Click on the search field so it's active and then type stablecoin dominance. Take your time with the spelling. As you type, TradingView will start showing matching indicators and symbols. You may see several options depending on how different data providers or script authors have named their tools. Look through the results and choose the stablecoin dominance entry that matches the one you want to track. When you see it, simply click on it once. TradingView will automatically add it to your current chart. You should now see a new panel or overlay appear, showing the stablecoin dominance curve over time. If it's in a separate pane and you'd like it overlaid or resized, you can click and drag the panel borders to adjust the layout to your preference. From here, you can customize the appearance like any other indicator. Right-click on it or click the settings icon and adjust colors, line thickness, or scale so it's easy to read alongside your main price chart. And if you're not yet on TradingView Pro and want more chart layouts, more indicators per chart, and an overall smoother experience, feel free to use the affiliate link in the video description. That's all you need to start using stablecoin dominance in TradingView Pro.